Each standard YA70 unit includes YA70 main unit, humidifier, power adapter, replacement air filter, breathing circuit, straps, short tube, nasal mask, user manual, and portable bag. Connect the nasal mask to the straps. Connect the short tube end to the nasal mask. Connect the other end of the short tube to the breathing circuit. Connect the breathing circuit to the machine. Before product use, fill the humidifier. The humidifier requires purified drinking water. Do not exceed the maximum water level in the humidifier. Put on the nasal mask. Fasten the buckles. Adjust the nasal mask tension to a comfortable position. Connect the power adapter. With the nasal mask on, breathe gently. The machine will then start automatically. Remove the water chamber while the main unit is placed flat on a surface. Clean and air dry.